4 natural ways to boost your brain. We've all been there. You can't think of a certain actor's name. You forget where you put your keys. It seems to take forever to think of the right word when you're writing an email. Feeling not so sharp is a normal part of life and can happen to anyone regardless of age. Stress, lack of sleep, busyness, all of these things contribute to a fuzzy brain. If you're tired of dealing with the frustration of feeling like your brain just isn't cooperating, then try these natural ways to give your mind a boost. Forget the stress. Studies have shown people under stress have lower response times to stimulus and are more likely to be forgetful. It's no wonder that dropping the stress out of your life should be the first thing you do to boost your brain health. While it might not be practical to revamp your entire life to be calmer, there are strategies to help manage stress and keep the levels lower. Try meditation. Mindfulness, even in small doses of only 10 to 20 minutes, has shown marked benefit in the long run. How important is this? Chronic stress can lead to brain damage, so taking a few minutes for yourself every day should be your priority. Engage your mind. The best way to stay sharp and even improve your cognitive skills is to keep the mind actively engaged in a new activity. Take a class, learn a new language, even just playing a game like chess will sharpen your brain. Move. Physical exercise stimulates specific proteins in the brain, improving everything from your ability to learn new things to memory and cognitive skills. For a bonus, try exercising in ways that challenge you to think, such as walking cross-country instead of on a neat and tidy path. Do an exercise requiring some level of concentration, such as yoga or Tai Chi. Check your diet. Cut the sugar and increase antioxidants. Don't forget to drink plenty of water. A well-hydrated brain is more important than you think. By paying attention to your diet, you can reduce inflammation in the brain while giving your brain a boost. Enjoy yummy food like blueberries, coffee, and dark chocolate to give your brain a boost. Paying attention to your brain health is pretty easy to do. The good news is, it's so easy to benefit your thinking processes naturally. By following these steps, you'll be back on track in no time.